never alone. In a world that spins so fast, I found a light that's meant to last. Through the shadows and the doubt, you're the reason I found my way out. Every moment, every glance, you turn my silence into a dance. With every heartbeat is so true. I'm thankful, oh I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful to have met you in this life so bright and new. Every laugh, every tear we share, I love you more than words can bear. Through the storms and sunny skies, you're the dream I can't disguise. In your arms I found my home. With you, I'm never alone. I'm never alone. Yeah. When the night falls and stars align, I see my future and it's you I find. With every whisper, every sigh, you paint my world, you make me fly. Every moment, every glance, you turn my silence into a dance. With every heartbeat is so true. I'm thankful, oh I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful to have met you in this life so bright and new. Every laugh, every tear we share, I love you more than words can bear. Through the storms and sunny skies, you're the dream I can't disguise. In your arms I found my home. With you, I'm never alone. Let's write a story, page by page. With every chapter we'll turn the stage. Hand in hand we'll face the dawn in this journey. Our love goes on. Our love goes on. I'm thankful to have met you in this life so bright and new. Every laugh, every tear we shed, I love you more than words can bear. Through the storms and sunny skies, you're the dream I can't disguise. In your arms I found my home. With you, I'm never alone. So here's my heart, it's yours to keep. And this love we've sown so deep, I'm thankful, oh I'm thankful for you. Forever and always, I love you.